of late, a lot of people have been using many hacks or many tricks to hack people's WhatsApp account and use it for so many fraudulent activities. So in this video, I want to show you how to put on your WhatsApp two-factor authentication so that you can have extra security in order to provide hackers or scammers from hacking your account. So first of all, you log into your WhatsApp account. Just open your WhatsApp account just like what you can see on my screen. So after you open, you'll see three dots on the right hand corner. Three dots. So you click on the three dots, then you see settings. So you click on the settings. From settings, you see account. So you click on the account. Then from account, you see two-step verification. So you click on the two-step verification. Now my two-step verification is on. Now if my two-step verification were not on and I want to set the two-step verification on, they will ask me to set up two-step verification. So I will click to set it up. And in setting up, they will ask you for a PIN. It's usually a 6-digit PIN. So you put a 6-digit PIN on. And after that, you will also be asked to add an email address. And when you add the email address, they will send a code to your email address to confirm that you are the one actually authorizing that email address to be used. Now what happens is, at any point in time when you forget this two-step verification PIN, then they will send a code, a reset. When you want to reset it, they will send a code to that email address so that you can put that code in order to be able to reset your password. Now, there are some situations where you may forget the PIN, the two-step verification PIN, and you also forget, either you forget the email address that you used, or you don't even have access to the email address at all. I have encountered a situation like that. One of my clients, her WhatsApp account was hacked. A scammer just called her and then asked her that, someone she knew, so she didn't probably even know that they are going to hack. So they called her and just told her that they are creating a different group and they are going to send her a code for her to confirm so that they will add her to the group. So she sent the code and automatically her WhatsApp account was hacked. So, and unfortunately, she did two-factor, in fact, not even that she did two-factor authentication. When the scammer hacked the account, he put two-factor authentication on. Now, when she wanted to reset the two-factor authentication code, Facebook will always, WhatsApp will always send the code, the reset password code, to the email address, which she has no access to. Now, so I had to take a step-by-step process to be able to retrieve that WhatsApp account for her. And so I did a video solely on how to solve the two-factor authentication problem or two-step verification problem in case you have done two-step verification and you've lost access to the email, or you no longer have access to it, or a hacker hacked your account and put a two-step verification PIN on it that you can have access to the email and you can't reset it. Check the video by following the link above, and in that video I have showed you exactly how to follow and recover your account back. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more powerful videos like this. Thank you and have a great day.